guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new then hi, welcome to my channel. So today's video we have another unboxing video. Now it is December, so that does mean it's going to be a cohorted unboxing video because I have been doing unboxing videos every month of the cohorted subscription box, and you know these are my favourite. I'm absolutely obsessed with cohorted, and I have a feeling that this one's going to be a good one. I've not opened it, I don't know what's inside, so we're going to open it and see what's inside this month's box. Now it feels really heavy is why I feel like it's going to be a good one, and just because it's December I guess. So let's have a little look inside. Oh my god, I can't open it. December edition 2019, the last one of 2019. So this month's box value is £170. So I'm pretty sure that's more than last month's box, but literally I've already like had a little look of all the products that you get in the box, and there's some amazing brands in there. We've got Morphe, we've got More Nails Ink, we've got some Lindt chocolate. Oh my god, excited. We've got some LANCOME. Let's have a little look at what we've got inside. So let's get my box, let's open it up. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, I'll just give you a little peek of what is in there. But oh my god, this is as good as I thought it was going to be. So first of all, we got a little chocolate, a little Lindt chocolate, which I'm going to eat now because these are my absolute favourites. So I don't know where to start off. We'll just pick, right? So this one is going to be the first one. So the first thing we have is this scrub mask, and this is from a brand called JADE. I think that's how you pronounce it. So the packaging is really cute. I love the polka dot packaging, black and white packaging. So this is a refreshing scrub mask, and this retails for £26 on its own. And it says, let me have a look, let me have a little read of what it says. So the JADE, I think that's right, yeah, the JADE Refreshing Scrub Mask is a 2-in-1 cleansing product, an exfoliating scrub cream, as well as a deep cleaning face mask. I think I mentioned this in the last video, but I love how the box is so versatile, and you literally get so many different things from like skincare and hair care and all that kind of stuff. Oh, what's this inside? Ooh, you got a little a freebie there, a little sample, and that is a white tea balancing cream. Ooh, Goodie Box Consumer Prize Award winner. So yeah, you get a little free sample there. So it's a Danish brand, and they've won awards, so it's an award-winning brand. So the packaging is pretty basic, which I don't mind. I quite like quite basic packaging, and obviously you know, it's a cost effective, it keeps the price down and things, but this just looks really nice. So yeah, it smells nice. I mean, it doesn't have like a, I mean, let me just like, this is not going to squirt on my face, is it? Wait, oh, it's got a little protector on it. I'm trying to like squirt it out and it's got a little film. What an idiot. I knew it was going to do that. Okay, now, yeah, I can smell it now. I'm like, oh, it doesn't smell nothing, but yeah, I can smell it now. It smells absolutely beautiful. It smells really nice, but that was what it looks like inside the tube. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. So yeah, that retails for £26, which I think is quite good value. But I love the packaging. It's so cute. Little polka dots there. So got a nice little face scrub there. So the next thing that we have is another nail varnish. We got one of these in the last month's box, and I don't mind. I quite like these. I love this brand. I think they're really nice, a luxury brand for nail products. Cruelty free, vegan. They retail £15, and this is the colour, or the shade even. This is the shade Bruton Muse. It's a really nice, gorgeous, like green kale kind of colour. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's have a little look and see. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colour. That is absolutely really nice, and it's perfect for this time of the year. So this is actually from the Nail Kale collection, and it says Nail Kale is the first superfood nail range made with kale extract for stronger, smoother, healthier nails. Oh, never heard anything like that before. Never heard of that. So that sounds really interesting. So yeah, £15 for that. Love Nails Inc. So then the next thing in the box, we have a mascara, and this is by LANCOME. And this is the mini Monsieur Big mascara. This retails for £10, so it's just a little mini size one, and it says the volumizing mascara's brush provides huge impact just by its first stroke. So it looks like a really good brush. It lasts up to 24 hours, 12 times more volume than bare lashes. That looks like a really nice brush. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I love like a big thick fluffy brush, so excited for that. It's enriched with dark pigments to create the ultra black intensity. It's soft, easy application. So yeah, I'm excited. Never tried any Lancome products before, so I'm excited to be trying that mascara out. So the next thing we have, guys, now this looks so luxurious, like literally just looking at the bottle and how it's packaged. It's got a nice, really nice glass bottle, and the label's just looks fancy. It just looks so luxurious and so expensive, and it is expensive. So this is by a brand called, I think this is how you pronounce it. Again, I'm so lame at pronouncing things. I'm so stupid, but I think it's pronounced Argatum or Argatum. So sorry if I'm wrong about that, but it just looks so amazing. It's a lotion and it's anti-aging. So it says the Lotion Infinite. Is that right? Yeah, it's a Lotion Infinite is a natural protective, super hydrating body cream. The award-winning product is formulated with a patent fusion of two vital ingredients, silver hydrosol and DNA HP. Oh my God. This retails for £84, guys. £84. It just looks so nice and luxurious. Like, just, I can't believe the label. It just looks amazing. Like, that is just fantastic. Like, I'm so impressed. It's free from parabens, sulfates, PGs, petroleum alcohol, and phenoxin. I don't know how you pronounce that one, but amazing. Like, let's open this and see what it smells like. God, what is going on here? Oh my God, baby, don't hurt me. Right. Oh my God. Right, for £84, guys, let's have a little look. So yeah, it's a hydrating body cream. Let's pop a little bit on the back of my hand and let's see. Ooh, oh my God, like that. Well, I mean, what does even luxury look like? But that just feels amazing. So soft, super thin, really hydrating. It doesn't feel thick. That just feels really, really nice. I'm just wiped an £84 body cream into my hand. So it also says, which sounds great, it says the Lotion Infinite is unisex and to be formulated for all skin types and ages. We have used our signature scent to lift your spirit and give you a feeling of well-being. Which, do you know what? That actually does have like when I first smelled that, it kind of smelled like a man, I guess. Like, it has like a scent that men could use. So perfect. So it's unisex. How fab is that? Like, I can't believe that. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of the best items I've received in all of these boxes altogether so far. Like, that is literally just amazing, and I'm really excited to keep using that. So yeah, £84, guys, for this. And you're literally paying, what is it, £40 for the box? I mean, that's just double of what you're paying for the box, like in just one item. That's just fantastic, isn't it? So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Love it. And then, guys, oh my God, we have another Morphe palette. Now, it doesn't actually tell me in here how much this retails for, but I can find it on their website and pop it on the screen. But we have another Morphe palette. This is the 9G Oh My God palette. This looks beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my god, oh my god. So it's just a little small palette. I'm pretty sure the small palettes will Morphe retail for something like maybe like £15, something like that. I'm pretty sure it's no more than that, but oh wow. Okay, so there's some beautiful colours there, some gorgeous Christmas colours, absolutely gorgeous. So this colour looks so beautiful. They all look so beautiful, but I'd probably mainly use something like these two colours. I'd quite like this colour, I'd probably use this colour. Do you know what? I probably would try and use them all. They're such versatile colours and it's such a gorgeous palette. I think I might do a couple of swatches. Wow, that feels so creamy and soft and pigmented. But let's just swatch that and see what it looks like. Wow. Oh my god, that's called Hot Glam. That looks beautiful. It's so creamy. I love Morphe eyeshadows. They're just fantastic, aren't they? And then that one, oh my god, that looks so nice. I think I've got a new favourite palette that I'm going to be using. Maybe I'll use this in a video because that's really nice. Really like that. So that is literally such a fab gift. I'm already really stunned by this box this month. I did say it would be a good box and I feel like this is probably the best one. I don't know. What do you guys reckon? If you've watched my previous videos of me unboxing these cohorted boxes, let me know which you think is the best so far, but I have a feeling that this one is the best. I'm not gonna lie. So the last thing is a perfume, guys. Now, I'm pretty sure this has been in the boxes before, this perfume, but as like a sample size. So it's the Agent Provocateur and it's the Fatale Pink perfume and it's a full-size bottle. It's a 30ml bottle and it retails for £36 and it just says it's an indulge in the Fatale Pink Edition fragrance, an alluring feminine fragrance that will stick with you all day long. I'm going to open this and have a little smell, but like how amazing is that? Like you've got a full-size perfume in there. It looks absolutely beautiful, so cute. That is so cute. Let's have a little smell and see. Oh my god, why is it not coming off? Okay, oh my god. All right, let's have a little whiff of you, hon. Oh yeah, you can definitely smell like it's quite musky and floral. That's actually really nice. Like, that is amazing. I'm so happy about that. Like, honestly, so happy about that. Love it, love it, love it. So that was everything in December's cohorted subscription box. Like, honest to God, the things I love about these subscription boxes is that you just never know what you're going to get and the mystery of it, which is just fantastic. Like, I know that you can go online and you can have a little peek of what you get, but it's just like you're getting such a really nice present every month and you just don't know what's going to be in the box. And it's like some things you may like, some things you might not like. Do you know what I mean? I mean, it's one of those things, I guess, with like a subscription box, but I do feel it's like worth the money. It's like, you know, amazing value, £40 box, and you're getting like just close to like ranging from like £150 to £200 worth of products in there, which is just absolutely fantastic. And I do feel like this month's box has probably been one of my favourites. I hope that you did enjoy this video, guys. I've absolutely loved working with Cohorted, and I've loved doing these little unboxing videos every month. It's like been one of my favourite videos to film. Apart from hauls, I just love unboxing things and seeing what's inside. So yeah, I hope that you did enjoy this video, guys. If you did, make sure that you do give it a massive big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you did enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.